everyone, today I want to show my new Hellcase giveaway. As you can see, just left 13 days, so you can find the links in the descriptions. Let's start the video. Hello everyone, today we are on Hellcase. I have 7,800 balance, so if you want to try Hellcase, click here and just type here Vaya and apply. You can get 10% bonus with 70 cent money. So thank you for using my codes. Okay, let's play some battles. And let's create this. For starting, let's add this one. And this case, also this. Let's go. Okay, we are starting. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we are down. Tiger tooth case. No. Another one, maybe. That's bad. Okay. Last two tiger tooth case. No, that's so bad. We're gonna lose this. And no, that's really bad. Last three cases. Oh no. Look at this. That's butterfly knife lore. That's 2K. Yeah, we lost this. That's paying so good. Let's try this one more time. Okay. No. Please. Wait, no, that's bad. Okay. Okay. And last two for tiger tooth case. Okay. Please. Last 5 cases. No. Last 3 cases. And last 2. We lost, right? Yes, we lost this. Yes, sadly, we lost 2 battles today. But if you want to try Hellcase, just click here and just type here Vaya and apply. You can get 10% bonus with 7 cent free money. Thank you for using my codes and bye bye.